Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to another beautiful video from Kenya, East Africa. In today's video, I want to take you through into another big project here in Kenya, East Africa 2026. That is the construction of Ngong Road Viaduct or Junction Mall Flyover here in Nairobi, Kenya capital. Ngong Road Viaduct or Junction Mall Flyover is a major infrastructure project in Nairobi, Kenya, designed to alleviate severe traffic congestion. As of April 2026, the 450 meters 4-lane viaduct is nearing completion and is expected to be finalized around mid-2026. Ladies and gentlemen, another distinct project, the Kenyatta Avenue Ngong Road Viaduct, is also under construction to improve traffic flow towards the city center. These are the key points to be noted down concerning the project. The construction of Ngong Road Viaduct or Junction Mall Flyover in Nairobi, Kenya, East Africa. One, the viaduct is located at the intersection Ngong Road, Naivasha Road, and Kingara Road near the Junction Mall. 2. The project aims to significantly reduce commute times with estimates that it will cut travel time between Ngong Town and the Nairobi CBD to roughly 20 meters from several hours. 3. The project is funded at a cost of approximately over 3.5 billion Kenyan shillings, that is 27 million USD. 4. As of December 2025, the project was reported to be at 90% completion, with the main steel structure erected and final concrete deck, ramp and road works underway. 5. Ladies and gentlemen, the project was initially scheduled for completion later but now expected to be completed in a mid-2026 ahead of schedule. Finally, number 6. The project is being managed by the Kenya Urban Roads Authority, KURA, and is designed to improve access to areas such as Talanta Stadium for the 2027 African Cup of Nations, AFCON. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know you're coming across this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, hit notification button for more video like this one, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend to do the same. Otherwise, enjoying watching the rest of the video.
Alright guys, right here at along Ngong Road within Junction Mall Flyover or Viaduct. So I'm here just to show you the construction of this flyover or viaduct, which has been going on for quite some time. So I'm just here to give you a quick view of what is happening here. Such a busy road, Ngong Road. So this is the viaduct which has been under construction, and it looks like it's almost complete. This is Ngong Road. Such a busy road. Let me show you what we do have here. Ngong Road. Junction Mall. Wow, such a busy road. So I've actually shown you people the Talanta Stadium, and apparently I wasn't allowed to get in. Yeah, so but then that's all about Talanta, so maybe you can watch the video. Go and watch the video. But meanwhile, this is how Ngong Road Viaduct looks like. Let me show you. So both sides have been fenced with the iron sheets, because this is a construction site. You know, this is Nairobi, and I'm very, very careful with my phone and stabilizer, both my gadgets. But I want to show you this because many of you have asked me, Africa, why don't you show us the construction, the ongoing construction of a viaduct within Ngong Road or Junction Mall. So this is how things looks like here. So on this side is still, I think they're still working on this side where we have the iron sheets. Installing footpath. Wow, this is beautiful. I love this. Ini poa sana. Wow, this is beautiful. Now this is the footpath, walkways, and also of course this is the drainage. Already installed. See. You can see this side they're working on the walkways, which already some part of it have been already installed, the cabros, so just waiting for the D-Day. And on the other side, of course, let me show you on this side. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. And the main reason why they are constructing or installing viaduct along Ngong Road, it is because of the traffic. This is going to ease the traffic that has been one of the major issues around this along this road, Ngong Road. Also this side, the cabros are being installed along Ngong Road, the walkways. Wow, such a beautiful project here in Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya, East Africa. So seems like the construction is almost complete. And also love what is happening on this side. Like how the walkways is being installed. So beautiful. I like how they have installed the cabros. Then beneath the viaduct, also we have the installation of the cabros, just to beautify the entire place. Actually, guys, I'll be giving you information. I'll do a follow-up of this construction of this project within Junction Mall along Ngong Road. So it is around 250 to 450 meters long. Yeah, 250 450 to 450 meters long. This viaduct here, or Junction Mall Flyover. Wow, such a big project here in Nairobi city. If the government can allow us to at least to show the world, the public, the construction which has been going on, the construction of all the projects that they have in the country, it can be good. It's not like putting a lot of restriction for no good reason, like Talanta Stadium, Nyayo, Kasarani. Aish, come on. Allow the public to enjoy the view. Because, you know, so many people don't know so much about Kenya. There are those who are in the dark. You know, they rely on people like us for information. So if you put a lot of restriction, you know, it makes it so hard for the public to know what is happening. You know, there's a lot of negativity about this government. Not because government is not doing any project at all or development at all. It is because of lack of communication. People don't know what is happening. Let the people know what is happening. Like now, I went to Talanta, I was denied entry. Not that I'm running a controversial channel. No, I even try to give them evidence of what I'm doing. But it's so hard. So how will the public know what is happening in our country? Apart from relying on a few media stations for spreading information or giving out information to the public. Anyway, it is what it is. So I'm here at Junction Mall along Ngong Road Flyover. So this all is happening here. I like the drainage, yeah? It has been installed already, and then they're working on the walkway. So these are a complete project. I think it is around maybe 80% complete. Let me show you on the other side. I went to Nambole Stadium in Uganda. I was allowed entry and I did a very good video about the Nambole Stadium. I went to Benjamin Mkapa, I did the same. I was allowed to get it. But in Kenya, and by the way, those places are also under army. Yes, soldiers. So imagine, I don't know what is happening in our country. If there's any problem with the content creators, then the government need to verify every content creator so that they can separate those who run a genuine channel and those who run fake channels for politics gain. Some of us, we have a very genuine heart, a very genuine reason why we are doing all these videos, but we are being treated. I know we are supposed to write a formal letter to the very relevant authority, but then there's a long process for no good reason. For 20 minutes video, jameni, hey, mnakazia, wananchi wanataka kujua ni serikali hii inafanya nini. Wacheni kukazia sisi. Such a beautiful project though. Yeah, so we give credit to it where it is due, and I'll give credit to this government for this project. Yeah, they have done a very good job here. Yeah? This is one of the flyover viaduct that we have. There's another one which I'm going to show you people. Yeah, so I've talked so much. I've talked too much. I've said a lot. Especially how I'm disappointed. I've been denied entry to Talanta Stadium. But I really love what is happening here. Such a beautiful project, so beautiful, and I want to congratulate this government. And I know this is going to be finished, and public will enjoy riding on this viaduct. Otherwise, I'm within Ngong Road Junction Mall. You can see that on the other side they're working on the walkways. Already they're installing cabros, and also they have already installed drainage. So around 90% complete. Yeah. What do you think about this project? Now the public can know what is happening along Ngong Road as far as the construction of viaduct within this place is concerned. Wow, I'm so impressed with what is happening here. See you in the next video. This is Upper Hill, another project.